Hi, I'm Simon. I work for the Aire Rivers Trust. We're in the Bradford Beck in Shipley, just next to McDonald's. Behind me is a new fish pass we've put in. It's oak sleepers screwed into a big bit of the river that's really flat and concrete. And by building it there, we've been able to create slow water and different currents which fish can then swim up over that apron and get to new bits of the beck.